that, folks. Man, that's success, baby. That's success, baby. Motivated, dedicated, let's go. You know, I'm so grateful, folks. I remember when I was broke. I remember when I was, I didn't have nothing. I remember struggling. I remember working for a job that I hated. I remember doing a 9 to 5. I remember like going to work, hating to go in the morning. I remember wearing the suits. I remember getting off at 5 o'clock and I didn't want to talk to anybody because I was tired of getting drinks every single day. And I thank God that I made it. But I want to tell you something, you're going to make it as well. Everything that I do online, offline, I'm an advocate for people like you that really want to win, period. I know I'm driving a Lamborghini here. I'm blessed to get this. I don't show you this to impress you, but to impress upon you that it's possible. I'm young. I'm black. I stay in Houston, Texas. And guess what? I worked, and it happened for me. We got many companies online right now. I have several internet business. I have a real estate company. And what I'm going to do is, I want to give you a gift. One thing I want to give you is this. You got to have a desire for what you want. Everybody, it's funny. Everybody walks up to me when I got this Lamborghini. Hey, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? And I wish they would ask me this question. Why do you do what you do? It's a better question. You know what I mean? Why? Not what I did, not how I did it, but why did I do it? I tell every entrepreneur out there, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40 years old, until you figure out why you want the Lamborghini, why you want the millions of dollars, why you want the success, it's so unclear. It'll be so unclear because I remember 5 years ago when I was struggling, when I was trying to make things work, I remember leaving my job, a job that I hated. You ever got in a situation that you just, you go to the bathroom sometime and cry because you just got so pissed off because your manager is giving you so much grief, your co-workers, they talking about you, writing emails, and I had a breaking point. I don't know where you are, but man, when that breaking point changed my life, and even though I quit and I had nothing but $1,000 in my bank account, a lot of people thought I was crazy. Mom and dad said, man, go back to work. What are you doing, Wesley? You're an engineer. Go make your money. And I said, no. I said, I'm more than that. I don't think God wants me to work a job for the rest of my life. I think He wants me to be a boss. He wants me to be a fucking lion. And that's what I am, a lion. We talk about, I don't know what your belief is. I'm not a real religious guy, but I do believe that there's a higher power that's always working for our good. It's working for your good as well. He's working. It is something that we quite can't understand. I want you to think about this. The same seed that you put in the ground and you want to plant it and you want to grow this amazing tree. But see, when you put that seed in the ground for several days and weeks, you see nothing. You see no progress. It seems like it's not working. You're watering every day, right? You're working on the dream every single day, but it seems like nothing is happening. But what you don't understand, it is happening under the soil, under the ground, baby. See, you're not responsible for the miracle process. See, me becoming a millionaire, it was a higher power that got aligned with me. It allowed my passion, my desire, and that higher power allowed me to become the rich man that you see today. But I'm telling you, you have that same power. You have that same power. Don't look at my life and say, well, Wesley's different. How am I different? I grew up in Sunnyside in the ghetto. What do you mean? Well, how am I different? I shopped at Walmart. We didn't have any nice clothes. I didn't have anything nice, ever. No one told, my mom and dad didn't tell me to go start a business. They told me, go to school, work hard, study hard. Just do the right thing. That's it. Keep your head low. Be careful. I love my parents, but they gave me the wrong plan. And most of you have the wrong plan. That's the only reason why your life is not working the way that you want it to work. You have the wrong plan. It is no different from me and you. The difference for me is this: I just believe more than you. I believe in myself. See, the thing is, it's easy to say that you believe in something when everybody's on your team. Everybody's like, yeah, you're going to do it. But how about this? How about you're the only person and everybody said, you know what? You're not going to make it. See, if 100 people say that you're not going to make it, are you still going to have the belief in yourself that you will? Let's have some fun, baby. You know what I mean? Let's have a little fun. I'm going to show you guys. Now this is straddle boat right here. It's not that fast. You know, it's not that fast. It's kind of slow. But I'm going to show you guys. And that's the power of the Lambo, baby, because I like to build businesses fast. And I know you're wondering what I do. Now, I've created a site, wesleyvirgin.com. You know, I did this because I want to be an advocate for people that truly want to win. And what I've done, I've recorded hundreds of videos just like this, teaching you what I do. Some of it talks about the technicalities. Some of it talks about the how-to. But most of all, I teach you how to use your mind effectively to manifest what you want. I'm going to say that one more time. I teach you how to use your mind, that brain of yours, effectively so you will be able to get what you want. See, everything starts, like even this car, someone had a thought. Someone believed that they can create a Lamborghini Huracan and that people would pay $215,000 for, right? Now before, that probably was insane. What? No one's gonna buy a car that's as much as a house. But as you can see, people are buying these things like hotcakes. Everything that you want to do starts with a thought. And how you think about something is going to manifest into a result. Does that make sense? Let's have a little more fun, guys. When I get on some upper road, you know, we're going to hit it. But everything starts with a thought. So listen to me closely here. First thing is this. You have a thought about something. That thought makes you want to feel something. That feeling makes you want to perform an action, and that action gives you a result. Thoughts, feelings, actions, results. Write that down. Thoughts, feelings, actions, results. Some of you guys say, you know what? I don't feel like doing it today. I don't feel like working on my business. I don't feel like working out. I don't feel like doing a video. I don't feel like starting my website. I don't feel like just reading a book. I don't feel like, right? I don't feel like it. But see, the only reason you don't feel like it because your thoughts are distorted. Your thoughts and your feelings are not aligned. This is what I teach on my website, wesleyvirgin.com. I just show people how to use their brain. But right here, we're getting ready to go to the gym and go work out. And let's have some fun, you know, a little bit. I want to push this thing. Let's see if we can get it to 150 miles per hour. What you guys think? 150 miles per hour. Let's do it, G, right now.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying? If we die, it's all good. We die with a smile on
I'm ready, man.
We die with a smile on our face. What am I talking about? Take risks. You know, I just told you guys we're going to go 150 miles per hour if we get some open road. But you got to take risk. Take risk in life. Some of you guys are scared. Some of you guys, oh, Wesley, don't do that. You may die. Put your seatbelt on. What about you're thinking about everything that may go wrong, but what if it goes well? Shit, what if we get a rush? You know what I'm saying? What if we hit it and we just jamming, we feeling good, the vibration is high? What if everything works out? That's what I want you to think about. Alright, let's get over here. Here we go, we're going 59 South, beautiful. So remember this, take risk in life. I'm taking a risk. I don't even think this is a risk. This is nothing, baby, because I got up to 160 miles per hour already. It's fun. We even in and out of traffic, you know. And see that right there? I mean, this bad boy going. This is strata mode. It's not even sport yet. Now, sport is another level. See, the thing is, everybody want to go faster in life, right? They want to get to their goals and their dreams faster. But the thing, if you want, that, you got to be ready, though. You got to be ready. You got to be ready if you want to do that, though. Does that make sense? Because see, with power comes responsibility. Let me say that one more time. With power comes with responsibility. You guys want more money. You want more fame. You know, you want your business to work. You want your life to work. But it comes responsibility with that, right? with power, you got to be careful with power. Some of you guys say, oh yeah, I want to be able to travel the world, I want all this money. But if you don't know what to do with the money, what happens? You lose it. See, the thing is, if I'm not handling this vehicle properly, right, I could die. I could crash it. You got to be ready for the power. Some of you guys are not ready for the power. You want to be in a Lamborghini, but you ain't ready for a Lamborghini. You want to make $1 million, but you're not ready for $1 million. Make $100,000 a year first. Some of you guys are trying to go from $20,000, $40,000 a year to $1 million. Make $100,000, make $10,000 a month first. Be ready for the power, baby. Because once it goes, it don't stop. 7 miles to our location. All right, folks, check this out. All right, you seen the video, right? This is all you gotta do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I want you to find me on Snapchat and say this. DM me, you, if you're serious, and say, fly me out. I'm flying out 10 people for 1 day, and that's going to be intense. And I'm going to pull greatness out of you. I'm going to pull the best out of you. Like it, subscribe, DM me, and say, Wes, fly me out now. Let's go.